Starting with the Windows 7 operating system, another session of taskbar properties. So today's session we are going to cover a notification area of the taskbar. So take your mouse towards taskbar properties, right click, properties. You will see that taskbar and start menu properties have come. So in today's session what we are going to cover this topic, that is notification area. Customize when the icon and the notification area in the notification area. So your system tray, which is your notification area. So how to customize this, how to make changes of it, if you want date, time to be removed from here. So how to remove from the system tray. So with the help of this notification area you can control your system tray. So from the customize, here you will see that select which icons and notification appears on the taskbar. If you choose the hide icon and the notification, you won't be notified about the changes or update to be hidden icon at the time when the arrow next to the notification area on the taskbar. Like for example, if you have a network over here it is set that shown icon and the notification area. Here the notification area network connection is not given. The cross sign red mark is here. So if you want to hide this, you have to click here onto the push button and select hide icon and notifications. Click OK. You will see that your network is hidden over here. Again, if you want customize, select here. If you will say show icons and notification, OK. Again you will get ERC. This is network. Similarly, if you want, so these are the various programmable icons over here. So whenever your computer starts, automatically some of the programs comes onto the system tray. So to control this notification area, you have to right click on it, properties, you will get this way, and from the notification area click onto the push button of customize and select accordingly what is our requirement. Show icons on notification will display onto the system tray, and if you say hide icon and the notification, it will hide your icon and notification also, so you won't get any updates further for that particular program. Like for example, antivirus is there. If you hide from here, as there is no antivirus here loaded here in this. Now if you want to control the turn system icons on and off, system icon, then date and time. So it is a clock, volume, network, power, control. Now you can also call it as an action center also. Now here the clock is on. If you click here off and click here, it will say that your clock is off from here, from the system tray. Again, if you will go click here on, you will find that the clock and the date will come again. It is restored. Just have to click OK. The same way with the volume control, if you want to control the volume. So this is how you can operate your Windows 7 operating. So this is you are operating the commands. You're controlling the commands with the help of commands. You can control your notification area. Okay. So this is how you can control this notification area of system tray. Okay. If I click on, again you will see that the sound volume is on. So this way we can control our icons from the system tray from the notification area. Now here you will see that one option called always show all icons and notification on the taskbar. Suppose if there are many icons over here, for example, say you can click here, you will see that you will see all the icons directly onto the system tray. Again, customize, and if you select this tick mark again, disable it and click OK, it will minimize this. You will find the some of the icons get hide, but if you click the arrow button you will see all the icons over here. But if you want to see at a time, you have to go in customize, tick mark over here, always show all the icons and notification on the taskbar. So you will see all the icons of notification area from the system tray at a time. So at a time all the icons have been viewed on the notification area of system tray. Okay, so this was to control your notification area of system tray. So here we complete our today's session. Thank you very much.